So, Thursday, 3:30, 30 minutes before the market closes, I just wanted to quickly go over a single trade that I have going and kind of talk about, lack of volatility. So the only trade I am in is the oil trade. So yesterday, a bit after 7 p.m. Eastern, about an hour and a half after the market opened, I posted these levels for the 7 markets. You can see crude oil over here. So then we put those on our charts: buy level, sell level, midpoint. Below the midpoint, looking short. So this is a price going below the midpoint. The sell level is the first target. So if you're trading in multiples, you always want to take something off as price arrives at a sell level. But this is not support. I just want to make it clear. This is just the first stop. In a bearish situation, the market first goes to the sell level and then beyond. Now, very often, a market would actually retest the level unless it's really, really weak, and that's what we saw today with crude oil, just weak. So a great move in crude oil, but let's take a look at some other markets. So this is the euro, which normally moves beautifully. Again, same exact approach: buy level, sell level, midpoint from last night. So above the midpoint, price indeed gets to the buy level, but in this case, no continuation, comes back again to the midpoint, and I got stopped pretty much at break even on the euro here. Nasdaq, for days now, the volatility dried up on the Nasdaq. Look how it's just kind of going back and forth across the midpoint. This is a market that has very little volatility, and the smart thing to do is to just stay away. Actually, in our Zoom room today, I took 2 trades on the Nasdaq. One was profitable, but one was a losing trade. And actually, overall on the Nasdaq today, I am down. I am slightly down on the Nasdaq, which did absolutely nothing, completely flatline around the midpoint. Now, gold is the market that got away from me, unfortunately. But again, this is 6 p.m. yesterday, around 7 o'clock. I posted the levels: buy, sell, midpoint, above the midpoint, looking long, hits the buy level, kind of retests it, and up we go. And I just completely missed the gold trade, unfortunately. I think we did have someone in our Zoom room who did take a long trade in gold. So just a beautiful continuation higher in gold. So both gold and oil, nice moves, while the indices did not do much today at all. So actually, as I was saying it, I took a look at the Russell, and the Russell was very different. I did not trade the Russell, but I just want to show the Russell. Same exact approach: buy level, sell level, midpoint. Here is the Russell below the midpoint, and after a while, after going sideways for a while, as you can see, eventually does hit the sell level. Doesn't quite retest it, and just goes lower. So Russell was a bit better than the other indices, but I did not trade the Russell today. So overall, there are periods of time when in any market a volatility just dries up. We've seen it in the S&P. Take a look at the S&P, right? Again, like the Nasdaq, right around that midpoint, doesn't do anything. The Russell was nice. I did not participate in the Russell today, and unfortunately I missed gold today. Only one that I was in was oil, and that did okay by me. So I'm going to show my rhythmic dashboard. All right, so this is the account I used to trade the levels that I posted last night, and another account that I just used for a few scalping trades here and there. But really, overall, with the exception of crude, gold, and the Russell, not much movement at all. Just, and it just happens. Volatility dries up. It will come back. No question about that. But in the meantime, we just have to tough it out and try and find the market that moves. Like today, oil made up for the other markets that didn't do much. And that's what we do. So come to our Discord page, check us out. We do have some public channels. Other than that, please leave a like. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers for this channel. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video.